We are at the Chiang Mai downtown right now, and here's the local market. The name of the market, Muang Mai Market. This is the biggest wholesale market in Chiang Mai. They have a lot of stuff here, like fresh veggie. You see those chili, pickled cabbage, meat, fruit, vegetable, everything. Yeah, he's really cool. Look at him. Oh, how many chili peppers back? That is so cool. I love market. Because you always see people that, selling a lot of stuff and do things that you don't think normal people can do. Look at the cucumber here. I want to get some of the cucumber. I'm going to pick which one? I'm going to pick this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, oh, sorry. 4, 5, 6, 7, 20 baht. 20 เนาะ Okay, put my bag. The lime, I'm gonna go back and look inside. I wanna look inside because there's more bigger lime than here. So today we have a opportunity to come to the local market. This market named Muang Mai Market near Old City by the Mapping River. So this is the wholesale. You see a lot of trucks and a vendor. They stuff this veggie from the garden and they sell like wholesale, big pack, which is very cheap. So I'm gonna buy lime. Today I'm going to make the sauce from my salad roll. If you saw the pictures of video earlier, so we make the cream seafood salad roll. So we need lime in the dipping sauce. So I get from her. This is pretty cheap. It's from her own garden. So these lettuce, the local, the farmer, they grow around Pyongyang, Samung district. We've been there before. I love that area. It's so beautiful and nice and cool. อันนี้ได้กิโลยังคะยัง See earlier? So this is just fresh from the farm. So I'm gonna look for the nice one. มี coral มี red coral ไหมคะมีเป็น coral เลยที่เป็นใบหยักๆอย่าง
ไม่มีวันนี้ไม่มีครับผมวันนี้ไม่มีมา
They don't have red coral today, so they had only this. So that they don't have. This is the only shop they have, and people try for this. They said they have a lot of orders. This is what they got. So this is what they get. This will be enough for the next 2 days. And we get more.
ก็
There's a lot of them buying. They will be finished soon. Yeah, so nice. I'm gonna get some more of this and I'm gonna put in a fridge. Because, it's much cheaper than this one. This is 16. This is 25 baht. ขออนุญาตนะคะ So 25 baht per kilogram. I think I'm gonna get some because it's สีในแกเต้ากันนะกะเป้some carrots 25 I love seafood 280 that's a big prawn right there I wish I can get prawn
เนี่ยมันต้องพันถ้าพันนี่มันจะเหนียวถ้าพันจะสุก
Look at that squid and fresh and dry we got dry fish different type of dry fish and that is my favorite bell fruit dry fish fermented fish